All right, so here we are on week 5, day 1. If you choose to do the math facts for the tens. So again, I know a lot of you know your tens really well, and that's great, but I'm going to skip count again across the top. If you don't know, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and you can tell what we're doing. This would be 1 times 10, 2 times 10, 3 times 10, 4 times 10, 5 times 10. And I'm going to circle the 5 times the 10 and the 10 times the 10. 60 is 6 times 10, 70 is 7 times 10, 80 is 8 times 10, 90 is 9 times 10, 100 is 10 times 10, 110 is 11 times 10, and 120 is 12 times 10. So I'm going to circle my 5 times 10 and my 10 times 10. And now I'm going to go ahead and answer my problems for my tens. 10 times 9 is 90, 10 times 3 is 30, 10 times 12 is 120, 10 times 5 is 50, 10 times 4 is 40, 10 times 6 is 60, 10 times 10 is 100, 10 times 2 is 20, 10 times 7 is 70, 10 times 12 is 120, 10 times 11 is 110, 10 times 2 is 20, 10 times 7 is 70, 10 times 3 is 30, 10 times 9 is 90, 10 times 4 is 40, 10 times 5 is 50, 10 times 6 is 60, 10 times 3 is 30, 10 times 7 is 70, 10 times 5 is 50, 10 times 6 is 60, 10 times 11 is 110, 10 times 12 is 120, 10 times 10 is 100, 10 times 9 is 90, 10 times 8 is 80, 10 times 4 is 40, 10 times 10 is 100, 10 times 8 is 80, 10 times 9 is 90, 10 times 7 is 70, 10 times 3 is 30, 10 times 2 is 20, 10 times 6 is 60, 10 times 11 is 110, 10 times 5 is 50, 10 times 9 is 90, 10 times 12 is 120, 10 times 7 is 70, 10 times 6 is 60, 10 times 2 is 20, 10 times 11 is 110, 10 times 3 is 30, 10 times 10 is 100, 10 times 4 is 40, 10 times 11 is 110, 10 times 8 is 80, 10 times 5 is 50, and 10 times 10 is 100.